Have you ever wondered what it would be like to chase the fury of nature only to be thrust into the heart of a bygone era? As the sky turned an ominous green and the sirens wailed, storm chaser Jack Turner found himself at the mercy of a colossal tornado in the Midwest. In a dizzying whirl of wind and debris, Jack was ripped from his time and flung into the 16th century, landing amidst the sprawling plains of the Native American tribes. Disoriented and awestruck, he was discovered by a tribe that mistook him for a spirit from the future. The chief, recognizing the markings on Jack's modern equipment, believed he was sent to warn them of impending threats. Amidst tribal councils and rituals, Jack struggled to convey his story, all the while forging an improbable bond with a people whose world was on the cusp of monumental change. As the lines between past and future blurred, Jack faced a daunting choice: find a way back to